Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Excel Personal Macro Workbook in the Startup folder must stay open for recording error. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Personal Macro Workbook in the Startup folder error using 4 fixes. Solution 1. Close background running apps. If too many applications are running in the system's background, it can lead to this error. Closing the unnecessary applications could work for you to tackle this situation. To do this, press Ctrl+Shift+Enter keys to open the Task Manager. Under Process tab, right-tap on the useless apps. Choose End Task. Solution 2. Rename the Excel file. The next solution you can try is renaming your Excel file. To do so, go to the location where your faulty Excel file is saved. Then, right-click on the file and rename it. You can even try moving the file to another location. Solution 3. Enable the Personal Macro Workbook. You can even try enabling the Personal Macro Workbook to solve Personal Macro Workbook in the Startup folder must stay open for recording error in Excel. To do so, open Excel file. Go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. At the bottom of the dialog box, select Disabled Items from the Manage dropdown, and click Go. If Personal.xlsb is in the list, select it, and click Enable. Close the dialog box and try recording a macro again. Solution 4. Enable macros. In some cases, Excel may block macros for security purposes. That's especially true if it is from unknown sources. So, if the macros are disabled, enable them through Trust Center settings and solve the problem. To do this, go to File, then Options. In the Excel Options dialog, click on Trust Center in the left pane. Click on the Trust Center Settings button on the right. In the Trust Center dialog, select Macro Settings in the left pane. Choose Enable All Macros or Enable Macros with Notification, depending on your security preferences. Ultimate recommendation: use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a way to fix Excel workbook corruption and recover all its data, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Microsoft Excel Personal Macro Workbook in the Startup folder must stay open for recording error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.